Okay, folks, leave your spring cleaning to the professionals. What a great idea, right? Well, Brad and Lisa Hunsucker are the owners of COIT Cleaning and Restoration Services. This is an old company, great reputation, and always great quality.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Yes, sir.
so folks right now are thinking about spring cleaning. So you walk around the house, how can COIT help them out?
Well, we do all kinds of flooring. We do wood, stone, carpet, upholstery. But what COIT really specializes in and has for years is the draperies, the blinds, the area rugs. But pretty much anything that's on your floor, anything that's hanging from the ceilings now, we can take care of it for you.
I like the idea too of having the ladies touch here because you know what really has to be done. I mean,
yes, it's going in with a different perspective and giving our guys an idea on, like, when you go into a customer's house, it's just, the little things that count.
Exactly. I see a truck pulling up right now. I've seen the trucks around for years and always been doing a great job. I saw you guys also do like the heating ducts through a person's home. I never thought of that, but there's probably a lot of things you guys think of that other people don't.
Yeah, our largest growth over the last 4 years has been air duct cleaning. And we've just recently gotten into granite countertops, marble countertops, marble floors, showers, etc. But air ducts has been a big winner over the last 3 or 4 years.
Everyone's thinking about allergies and different components in the air.
Indoor air quality.
Yeah.
People who suffer from asthma, people who have children that have difficulties, a lot of immune compromise. People, we do a lot of cleaning for that as well.
Yes, so I know cleaning and polishing granite counters not an easy thing to do by yourself.
No.
So I mean, we got some extra manpower here.
Right, right. A lot of it came from Lisa, not being able to, having the smudges on our granite countertops and,
it's annoying.
and having different things, etches in the marble, etc. Wanted to come up with the solution, and so we can take care of those solutions. And there's not many people who provide that service.
Right. Well, all the ladies in the studio just perked up when we saw this right here. So Lisa's got us on the right track. We saw the heavy duty cleaning on the floor too. The different kind of floor surfaces, like some of them look like marble or granite and that sort of thing. Makes them look brand new. I mean, this probably changed your whole idea about maybe doing a remodel or something like that.
Oh, yeah.
Well, in today's age, we do really, really well in almost a recession type times, because why go get a new? People might not be able to get a new floor. They want to clean. They want to take care of their upholstery. We can help extend the life of carpet. We can help extend the life of upholstery. Help take their new floors instead of spending $25,000 on a new floor. We can clean it and polish it up for them for very reasonable.
I've had COIT to our home before in the past. It was when I had a lot of draperies and curtains and that sort of thing. And you have these things put up, and you can't just take them down. I mean, if you take them down, you got to take them down right, and then you got to put them back right. So how much work goes into that?
There is a lot of work. There's a lot of detail when they're taken down.
You take pictures or something so you know how to put them back up?
Yeah.
So
we have some of our most tenured employees have been around 30, 35 years, are part of that department for us. We call it our revisit department. And when you have rosette, it's an art.
Yeah.
I mean, when you're taking that down and you have swags and you're trying to put them back up, it's an art.
Yeah, and it's a disaster.
And not very many people do it.
It's a disaster if you're trying to do it yourself.
Yes.
Because I tried to do it myself before, and I had to have COIT come out and figure it out for me.
Fix it for you.
Well, do you have any pictures of it? I go, yeah. So I'm looking for family pictures and all this kind of stuff. I should have just had you guys come out and take care of it for me right away.
There you go. Just call us first.
Yeah.
We'll take care of it.
So tell us about some of the prices for COIT. Are there any special deals right now?
Yeah, right now we have a 25% off all services. We have an extra 10% off if someone calls and mentions New Day Cleveland. And that includes all of our services, from carpet and air ducts to stone flooring, etc.
Okay, so say they're coming in to do some floors, they're going to do the ductwork. Is it a good time to fold in the upholstery and that sort of thing? How much stuff can you do all at once, or should you do it in stages? Or?
Well, one of the advantages of COIT is that we pretty much do it all. It's a one-stop shop. And so when we always want to do the carpet first, do the air ducts last. And so when people are having their air ducts done, why not have everything else? Your carpet's the biggest filter for your dirt. Your upholstery's the biggest filter for dust and debris. So people want to have both done, we can do them both in the same day. But sometimes people have so much, you know, we have to extend it into 2 days.
Yeah. Boy, it's like having a new house and maybe some new health. You're breathing good air.
You're feeling good. You're refreshed, and you know, Lisa could probably speak on that better than me. There's nothing like having that clean, sanitized, fresh feeling.
So all you have to do is call COIT. Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
We appreciate it very much. Okay.